Hi there, it's Nick from A&G Auto Spa. We just wanted to showcase our new IGLA PIN-Code start system. It sounds kind of complicated, but we'll let Dan walk us through the process to see how we can make your car almost theft-proof. So the IGLA is a really small device that we hide inside the car. You'd have to be a master tech and disassemble basically all the wiring of the car to be able to find it, which is the beauty of this system. You can't just rip out a black box or rip off the mirror and have it be disabled. So the neat thing here is you get your own individual PIN code, and that's going to allow you to start the car. Without it, even with the key, Dan's got his hands right there, you will not be able to start it. So Dan's going to demonstrate that. He's got his foot on the brake, pressing the go button, nothing at all. So what he's going to have to do here is we've got a temporary PIN code set up. This is going to be individual to whoever owns the car and drives it regularly. For right now, we've got it set up as the OK button 4 times. You'll see the flashers go twice. Now Dan can press the brakes and press the start button, and as you can see, it started right up. A lot of you might be wondering, well, does it still work with our factory remote start system? Dan's going to demonstrate here with the red key. The Jeep's going to start like normal with the remote start button on the factory fob. And as we walk up to it, it unlocks just like normal. And the beauty with the IGLA is that it won't go into gear. You can press a button, you can put your foot on the brakes, nothing's gonna happen. They're not gonna be able to take it. Again, even if they have your key, press your PIN code, let it authenticate and flash twice. And just like that, we're in gear, ready to roll, ready to drive off to wherever you're headed.